Phonics sentences practice for kids. Double letter consonants. Shape your artwork into a heart using colorful clay. Shape your artwork into a heart using colorful clay. Fish swim swiftly through the shimmering waves. Fish swim swiftly through the shimmering waves. Cherry blossoms bloom in the garden in spring. Cherry blossoms bloom in the garden in spring. Brush the playful kitten's soft fur with care. Brush the playful kitten's soft fur with care. A branch of the tree reaches toward the shining stars. A branch of the tree reaches toward the shining stars. Shop for fresh vegetables at the local market. Shop for fresh vegetables at the local market. Chickens chirp happily in the farmyard. Chickens chirp happily in the farmyard. Wash your hands before eating a juicy peach. Wash your hands before eating a juicy peach. Sit on the bench and enjoy the serene sunset. Sit on the bench and enjoy the serene sunset. Catch the ball as it flies through the air. Catch the ball as it flies through the air. Great job, kids! You're on your way to becoming fantastic readers. Keep practicing and exploring the world of phonics. See you in the next exciting lesson.